For this recipe, you'll need a 9-inch unbaked pie crust, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, half a cup of unsalted butter that's been melted and cooled, 3 large eggs, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. First off, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. Now, line your 9-inch pie dish with the unbaked pie crust. Next, in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the granulated sugar, flour, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the eggs, then add the melted butter, buttermilk, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and grated nutmeg. Whisk everything together until it's well combined. Now, it's time to combine these mixtures. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients and mix everything together until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. Once it's ready, pour the filling into the unbaked pie crust, making sure the mixture is evenly distributed. Then place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for about 45 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's done when the center is set but still slightly wobbly, and the top is golden brown. When it's done, take the pie out of the oven and let it cool on a wire rack until it reaches room temperature. The pie will continue to set as it cools. After it's cooled, slice and serve your buttermilk pie. You can enjoy it as is, or add a dollop of whipped cream or a light dusting of powdered sugar for extra sweetness. And there you have it, your very own Southern buttermilk pie. It's best enjoyed at room temperature or slightly chilled, offering a creamy texture and rich flavor that embodies the warmth and simplicity of Southern cuisine. So, if you liked this recipe and want to see more, make sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching and happy baking.